Hello boys, today we start exercise 2B rational number. So this is my part 3 of video on rational number. So this chapter is little hard, therefore I'll make 2-3 videos on exercise 2B. Any book if you are following, it is common to all textbook. So please see the concept, only question numbering will be different and learn. So today before I start, some very useful tip I'll tell you, those who are using mobile phone, especially to continue their online study. So first thing, whenever if there is any audio problem, please use a headphone, earphone, headphone, then it will be very clear. Second thing, when YouTube is playing, there are 3 dots on the right side corner. When the video is playing, when you click on that, lot of things will come. One of the thing is quality of the video. There are many options. You click to 480, then your video quality will be best. So 480 you click, so 3 dot, you will see many things. Quality you click and 480 you put and use a headphone. So here we start our topic for the day. Which of the 2 rational number is greater? So there will be 2 rational number given. In my part 1 of the video I have explained what is a rational number. Rational number is a fraction whose numerator and denominator are integers. So how to know which rational number is greater? First thing, so these are the steps. First, make denominator positive. So see here, denominator is negative. So we have here 3 by minus 7, you multiply and divide by minus 1, what will happen? Your denominator will get positive. Make denominator. Then we have to take LCM of the positive denominator. So here we have this or 1 by 7. So LCM of 7 and 7 is same. So I am not finding the LCM. So finally we see, in a number line, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. So as I taught you earlier, 1 is greater than -3. The number to the right are greater than number to the left. So 1 is greater than -3. Therefore, 1 by 7 is greater than -3 by 7. So 1 is greater than -3. So then we see this. Make denominator equal, denominator are already equal. Increasing order of numerator. Which is increasing order? 1. So 1 is bigger than -3, therefore denominator same. So 1 by 7 will be greater than -3 by 7. And another thing, shortcut children, is any positive number is greater than 0, negative number is less than 0, and here you could have written directly positive is bigger than negative. If you add these 3, you will get third thing is positive is always greater than negative. Got it? So one direct method would have been, but we follow the general rule. So this is greater than this. So please pause the video and copy whatever is done. Next we go to question 1 part 3. Which is greater? You will see both the denominator are positive and they are equal. So denominators are equal and positive. So we know that 7 is greater than -9. 7 is greater than -9. Therefore 7 by 10 is greater than -9 by 10. So equal positive denominator, greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. So here we could have written note what? Both the denominator, you see I am using short form. In my previous part you have seen both the denominator are number A positive in this case, and both are equal. But here I am going to next sum where you have different denominator. So what we do, they are both positive, so LCM of 8 and 16 is equal to 16. So what I do, 7 by 8, I multiply by 2 and divide by 2 because I have to get denominator equal. So 7 by 8 I multiply and divide by 2, we get 14 by 16, and we have to compare 11 by 16. So what we see, 14 is greater than 11. And write since. Therefore, 14 by 16 is greater than 11 by 16. But children, you know, 14 by 16 is not my original fraction. What is that? 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 therefore is greater than 11 by 16. Once more, we take the LCM. They are both positive. So we start with LCM. Smaller one we multiply, we make denominator equal. See which one has greater numerator, that fraction is greater. But 14 by 16 is not my original fraction. My original fraction is 7 by 8. So please pause and copy, then we move on to next sum. Now we move on to 1 part 8. So see, first step, denominator is negative. So what I told you in my rule 1, multiply and divide by -1. So first step is I make denominator positive. So what I have done? Denominator positive I have done. Next, I have to take the LCM. So children, you have studied LCM in class 6. LCM of 11 and 12. So they are prime to each other. So you will say is 132. Okay. Now 11 by 12, this I multiply and divide. So 11, how? 12 denominator we have to make equal. 12 11s are 132. So this we get 121 by 132. Okay, so you can multiply 12 11s are 1 2 1 2, we get 132 as denominator. Same way, this I got minus 11 by 12, minus 10 by 11, we multiply by 12 because 11 12s are will give you 132. So we get minus 120 by 132. Now we know a negative number, minus 120 is greater than minus 121. In negative side, this is bigger than this. Therefore, minus 120 by 132 is greater than this. So what is our idea? Equal denominator, bigger the numerator. Minus 120 is bigger than minus 21, bigger the fraction. But now you see minus 120 by 132 I have got because of minus 10 by 11. And this, if you see children, I have got because of my original fraction 11 by minus 12. So once you have this, you have to go back to see which two fraction I have to prove bigger, greater. This is greater than this. So please pause the video and copy. So we now move on to the very last question which I am doing for question 1 part 11 I am doing. Children, I have taken the main sums, different varieties, to give you the concept. So first thing, step 1, what we have? We have to make the denominator positive. So what we do, we multiply by -1. So what you see, denominator becomes positive. So we have two things, this is bigger or this. Next, when you see, we have to find LCM of 9 and 8 is 72. So the first one we write -7 by 9 into what? Into 8 will give you 9 8s are 72, 8 9s are 72, and 8 7s are is 56, 9 8s are 72. Now this one was -7 by 9, -5 by 8. What you will multiply so that denominator is 72? So we know 8 stable, 8 9s are 72. So 8 9s are 72, 9 5s are -45. Now see this two in a number line. Okay, -52, 56 is here, -45 is here, then you go to this side. So -45, children, is greater than -56. So once you know, you note here one very important thing. We know 56 is greater than 45, positive side number line, but in negative, -45 is greater than -56. So this represents which fraction? -5 by 8. -45. So this way I'll write next step. This represents -45 is greater than this. Therefore, -45 by 72 is greater than -45 by -56 by 72. This is bigger than this. But this represents, so I'm not going down, but you write down. -45 by 72 is represented by -5 by 8. This is represented by -5 by 8 is greater than -56 by this is represented by -7 by 9. But -7 by 9 I have converted. Actually it is 7 by -9. So 7 by -9. So one more step we go and we do. So this is greater than this. -5 by 8 is greater than -7 by 8. But remember, we have multiplied and converted. So this is not my original fraction, -7 by 9. My original fraction is 7 by -9. They are same. These two are equal. Remember, when you multiply by -1, so remember 7 by -9 is equal to -7 by 9. They are same. So I write this. So kindly pause the video, right? There are more sums, what I have solved and what I have not solved. Please practice from any standard textbook and learn. Thank you boys for watching.